Bắc Sơn Giêsu còn Real Bắc Sơn, Real Bắc Sơn.
Pao Churches Union, Tamenglong District Headquarters, Manipur, organized a Candlelight Vigil along with ZBCC NEI today on the 14th of June 2026 at Tamenglong District Headquarters to tell to the world that we as the Christian leaders and as members of this country, we do not condone the killing of two pastors and the innocent civilians who were held hostage on 13th of May 2026 by the Kuki people who were not in good spirit of a good human being. They were killed mercilessly, brutally killed in a very inhuman ways. We, the church leaders of Tamenglong District Headquarters, along with the pastors, reverends, and catechists, and fathers from all the denominations of Christian faith, condemn the brutal killing of the innocent two pastors, Reverend Manu and Pastor Kenpibo, and other four civilians. At this juncture, we ask the people of this country to rise up against the inhuman killings of these 6 people. We urge the government, the central and the state government, and all the sensible people of this country to condemn the killing and act in a very forceful manner so that this kind of sadistic killing may not occur again in the future. Thank you.
Real Bắc Sơn, Real Bắc Sơn.
Đất Bắc Sơn ra vùng thuốc đầu điều.
Đất Bắc Sơn ra vùng thuốc đầu điều.
Nâng tà ra vùng rèn thuốc đầu phù điêu.
Nâng tà ra vùng rùi vùng lao phù điêu.
Tất sư ngàn râu cũng cầm đầu điêu. Tình mình thủy mà nó chỉ đầu điêu. Real đất Bắc Sơn ra vùng thuốc đầu điêu. Real Bắc Sơn, Real Bắc Sơn. Real Bắc Sơn, Giêsu phong khổ. Real Bắc Sơn, Real Bắc Sơn.
Real Bắc Sơn.
Real đất Bắc Sơn ra vùng thuốc đầu điêu.